Okay, welcome to another lesson. This is a nice little fill. Can be quite tricky at times. You've got 2 feet in there, so that allows you to come with a nice big accent on your toms, and then you've also got the extra tom note at the end that you'll want to focus on accenting as well. So I'm going to go over this quickly on the kit for you, so you can see what the pattern is. Just remember it's straight 16th notes. It's just your placements that you need to be careful on. So it's not that complicated. You just got to make sure you're getting those feet in the accents right. So we'll play this along with a click, just so you can get a better idea of it. Quite simple. You just want to make sure you focus on keeping it consistent and make sure you're hitting the accents on those toms. We'll crank up the speed now. We'll go to 180 and we'll play it between a beat and a fill so you get more of an idea of what it would sound like. So you want to make sure you build up on that slowly, make sure it's nice and consistent as you progress through the tempos. Right, we're going to play around with this fill now. There's a few other ways you can do it. On your one accent you've got at the end, you could even move that onto a cymbal and add a kick in with it, or you can just move on to different drums. The accents as well could also be on your floors, coming into your snare, or just coming back into your snare with accent on your snare. There's loads of different ways you can play around with this. So I'm just going to play some examples of what you could do.